Meet Bella, a rescue dog who transformed the life of young Timmy, a boy with autism. After Bella came into his life, she provided him with comfort and companionship, allowing him to step outside his shell. One day, while playing in the yard, Bella noticed Timmy having a seizure and barked relentlessly until his mother came to help. Another inspiring story features Max, a cat who saved his family from a house fire by waking them up just in time. Their bond of loyalty and love showcases the incredible impact animals can have, proving that true friendship knows no boundaries, whether it's through bravery or companionship. These remarkable tales remind us of the unwavering love and resilience animals bring into our lives.